So today we're going to get a chance to look at the Intellicharge Tower Power Strip from Gitryin. I get a chance to test a lot of their products and own quite a few of them. And I really like how they come up with new ideas. This is, it's a power strip, but it's a vertical power strip that has 8 outlets, a very solid cord, and it allows you to use their ecosystem where if you use their power chargers, their little modules, you can pop these legs out and it will allow you to put it on an angle. I'll show you here in just a second, and it'll give you some more stability while it's on that angle. The unit itself comes with a 2-year warranty, and I just can't say enough good things about it. It fits really nice on the desk. I'm going to go ahead and demo how you plug one of their power strips in, and so you can turn it to its side, and you have, you can put up to 3 of those up there. And I wanted to show you some of the other products that I had as well. They're all different sizes. They do similar things, but they serve different functions on different types of desks. And I'm using all 3 of them now. So as you can tell, I am a real fan of Gitryin products. They come out with something new and unique every time. And I really find this one cool because it is space saving. As you could see in my previous videos and what I showed you here, there's different types for different types of desks. This one happens to be a vertical, and where you have 8 plugs. It's got a 2-year warranty. It's got a really beefy cord, and it's even got some I don't know what you would call these, but a little almost like a stand that breaks out like that. So if you do happen to use their chargers, you plug them in there and put it on its side, it's got some more stability here. So anyway, I just wanted to run this by you real quick and show you another interesting product from Gitryin, and I hope that you'll check it out. Thanks.